Welcome to our video about Isaac Newton, one of the greatest minds in the history of science. From his early life and education to his groundbreaking discoveries in mathematics, physics, and astronomy, we'll explore the life and work of this scientific genius. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Isaac Newton, and discover how his work continues to influence and inspire scientists and thinkers around the world today. Early life and education. Isaac Newton was born on December 25, 1642, in Woolsthorpe, England. His father, a farmer, died just 3 months before his birth, and he was raised by his mother, Hannah, and his grandmother. Newton was a shy and introverted child, but he showed an early aptitude for mathematics and science. At the age of 18, Newton entered Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied mathematics, physics, and philosophy. He quickly became fascinated by the works of Galileo and other early scientists, and began to develop his own theories and experiments. Scientific discoveries. In 1665, while studying at Cambridge, Newton made several important discoveries. He formulated the laws of motion, which describe the behavior of objects in motion and the forces that govern their movement. These laws form the foundation of classical mechanics, and are still used today in many fields of science and engineering. Newton also invented calculus, a powerful mathematical tool that is still used today in many scientific and engineering applications. He used calculus to solve problems in physics and other fields, and his work laid the foundation for many modern scientific fields, including engineering, physics, and economics. In addition to his work in mechanics and mathematics, Newton also made important contributions to the study of optics. He discovered that white light is made up of different colors, and invented the reflecting telescope, which used mirrors instead of lenses to gather and focus light. His work in optics laid the foundation for modern astronomy and led to the development of the modern telescope. Later life and legacy. Newton continued to make important contributions to science throughout his life. He was appointed the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at Cambridge in 1669, a position he held for 33 years. He also served as the President of the Royal Society, where he published many of his scientific findings. Isaac Newton died on March 20, 1727, at the age of 84. His legacy continues to inspire scientists and thinkers today, and his name remains synonymous with scientific genius. His laws of motion and universal gravitation are still taught in schools and universities around the world, and his work in optics and calculus laid the foundation for many modern scientific fields.
Hey, sorry for interrupting the video. Welcome to Exploration, your go-to source for high-quality education and learning resources. Subscribe and press that bell icon now for regular updates and join our community of lifelong learners. Now back to the video.
Conclusion. Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist whose contributions to mathematics, physics, and astronomy transformed our understanding of the world around us. His laws of motion and universal gravitation, as well as his work in optics and calculus, remain some of the most important discoveries in the history of science. Newton's legacy continues to inspire and influence scientists and thinkers around the world, and his name remains synonymous with scientific genius.